Hello everyone, this is Tanjimalul. Welcome to the first tutorial of GIS software series. Today we will see the basic interface and basic functions of GIS. But first we need to know about what GIS is. GIS is a package of software for capturing, storing, checking and displaying data related to the position of Earth's surface. There are different modules for GIS such as ArcCatalog, ArcMap, ArcGlobe. First we will see the ArcCatalog software. So this is the ArcCatalog software. From this software, we can connect folders that contains data for GIS. We can create a link for our dataset within GIS. By clicking the connecting folder, we can add different folders that contains data. We hit OK. Now the folder is connected. We can see the connected folder here. Let's jump on the next module. This is the ArcMap where we will process the map. So this is the ArcMap software. This is the basic interface of the ArcMap. There is the file menu where you can add new files and export files. The edit section where we can edit the maps, view for different types of view and bookmarks, and the insert menu where we can add new data frame like this. And then comes the selection menu and the geoprocessing menu where different types of tools such as buffer, clip, etc. are located. Here is the customize menu where different types of toolbars are shown. We can customize our interface by adding different types of toolbar, anything we want. We can also add new toolbar and drag down and place it here or anywhere. Then comes the Windows menu where we can find the search. From this search we can find any tools needed for creating new map. Let's pin it here, and then comes the help menu. Now we need to insert the data in this file. We had connected the folder before that contains our data to ArcCatalog. Now we have to extract the data. To do this, we go to Arc Toolbox. Then we go to Data Management tool. From this Data Management, we go to Package. Then we go to Extract Package. Now we can see the input package and the output package. By clicking the icon, we can extract the file which is called proposed extended. Now we have to define the output folder for keeping our shapefile. Then we hit OK. We can see the package is extracting. Now to see our data, we simply click on the Add Data option. Here we can see our shapefile. If we go to Home and show our connected folder, this is it. Go to GIS Lab, and from output folder go to Common Data and shapefile. We can see all our shapefiles. We can simply click on them and hit Add. Here all the shapefiles are added layer by layer, but we can't see them. To see them, click on the right button and go to Zoom to layer. That's it. There's our features. These files are arranging according to layer by layer. To see other features, we simply bring one feature upward. Here we can see this layer by bringing this feature upward. Also, we can change the layer color by clicking right click and or simply click on the color, and we can select this color. Here it is. This color, the color of this building block 5 feature has been changed. And now if we right click on any feature, we can see different option. To see their attribute data, we open attribute table. Here we can see their attribute type and the values. If we click on them, we can select the specific attribute. Now if you hit Ctrl and right click on them, you can select specific attribute data. Here we can see switch selection. If we hit this, we can switch the selected items. By hitting this icon, we can see only the selected records. If you hit this section, we can clear the selected item. And now if you want to add new field, we simply click on the table and go to add field. We have to put a name. Let's name it FID and select this type and hit OK. Yes. And now we can see there is a new field called FID12. Now we can see all the values are 0. If we want to change this, we click on the field and then right option, and then we go to field calculator. Okay, yes. Here the value, here we can click the FID our field and select plus, then 1 and hit OK. Now we can see the FID value all are 1. So we can edit a field like this. Now we jump on the next thing, cause this, and if you want to label the features, we right click on the feature and then we go to label features. Here it is. We can see the labels on this feature. Again, if we want to see the properties of the feature, we just simply right click and go to properties. In this property section, we can see different types of items. Here in general, we can change the name of the feature and its description, and then in source menu we can see the informations of the feature such as data, geometry type, data type and projected coordinate system, etc. In selection we can change the selection type and symbol. From display menu we can change the transparency level of each features. In symbology, we can create different types of maps as our requirements. In features, we can change a feature's color like this. In category, we can change the map's categorical value such as good or bad. In quantities, we can see different types of graduated colors, proportional symbols and dot density. We can create temperature map, population density map using these features. We can use different charts such as add pie, bar, stack to visually represent our data on the map, such as election map. Also, we can use multiple attributes such as temperature, population density in a single map using this feature. Then comes the field. We can see the fields using this on this feature. Then comes the definition query. We can use different types of conditions here by clicking query builder to get our certain feature. We can remove query from here to get back to the normal feature. Let's see if id is equal name, hit OK, and now we hit apply. We can see there is a change in this feature. Also, we can select this and hit delete and apply. Then the condition will be removed. In this label section, we can add a field name, label their name. We can change their name font size, type, their style, etc. In join relate section, we can add any data table to this attribute and relate to link to any feature. In time section, we can enable time on this layer to understand many map that has attributes that changes over time, such as traffic, wind direction, etc. And then comes the HTML pop-up link. We use this to see any feature to link a hyperlink. And now if you want to create new elements on our map, we cross this and go to the drawing tool. Here we can see this rectangle. We simply draw it over here. Here it is. We can draw this feature, and now we can move this shape anywhere we want, but it is not a feature on this map. See, these are the features, but there is no name of this feature here. So we make this shape a feature. To do this, we go to the drawing and go to convert graphics to feature. Here it is, select polygon graphics, and an output folder name will be given, and we hit OK. Say yes, and here it is. We can see the converted graphics. Now it's a feature, and we can move this feature anywhere we want, like this. But this feature has become a feature and it is not moving. To select this feature, we select features and click on this. Here it is. Now we can see this, we can select a direct feature. So this is it. That's for all today. Thank you everyone. See you on the next video.